is not nearly as hard as you think it is, and I'm going to solve the whole tune for you in just a few minutes. Maybe you've looked up tabs to Blackbird, and they look like this, and it's 8 pages long, and it looks like a classical arpeggio piece. That sounds so pretty if you play Blackbird that way. There's nothing wrong with that. I love to play it that way too, because I'm a classical guitarist. But in reality, Paul McCartney does not do that in this song. It has nothing to do with complicated arpeggios. Okay, now look at my tab. Doesn't that look much nicer? Guys, that's almost the whole song right there. Okay, I'll teach this to you real quick. All right, hold your 3rd fret of 6. Now, on your right hand, put your thumb on 6 and your index on 2. Okay, Paul McCartney plays this whole tune with his index and his thumb only. All right, now play those 2 notes together. Now, after each pair of numbers that I have there on the tab, take your index finger and do a downstroke like this. Okay, you want to aim at the 3rd string, but he's not real specific. Sometimes he hits 2 and 3, sometimes he catches even 4. So again, we're going to play them together. Down. Okay, so there I caught the 2nd string too. All right, now go to your 1st fret of your 2nd string. Thumb now moves to 5. Most of the song is on 2 and 5. Okay, play them together. Downstroke. All right, now 2nd fret of 5, 3rd fret of 2 together. Downstroke. Okay, here I hit the 2 there, so does he. Watch this. All right, that's how you start Blackbird. Now, run those same 2 fingers up from 2 and 3 all the way to 10 and 12. Okay, 10 on your 5th string, 12 on your 2nd string. Now we reach what we're going to call the fast pattern. Okay, and I have letter F written on a lot of these pairs of numbers. That means fast pattern, and I'll post this fast pattern. All right, here's your fast pattern. Okay, same 2 fingers. Play 2 and 5 together. Index finger down up. Right. 3 and 2, 3 and 2 and 4. Okay, so again we have together, down, up. Hit your 5th string by itself, and now up, down. Okay, watch this. Together, down, up, 5, up, down. Together, down, up, 5, up, down. Together, down, up, 5, up, down. All right, that is how he does it, guys. It's not... that sounds cool, but that's just simply not what Paul McCartney does in this song. Okay, so stop the video if you need to and practice that. Together, down, up, 5, up, down. Together, down, up, 5, up, down. Our intro is... So cool, such a beautiful thing to play, and it's not that hard, guys. It just is not that hard. All right, let's go through the rest of the piece here. Okay, play 3 and 5. 3 on the 5th string, 5 on the 2nd string. Let's do our slow pattern. Play it together, downstroke, kind of aim for 3. Catch 2 if you want to. Okay, so just together, down. Now this is kind of cool. He does this. Put your middle finger on 4 on the 5th string, and then 1, your 1st string, on the 3rd fret. Okay, reach across, play that together. Downstroke. All right, and now 5 and 7, down. Now 6 and 5 on the 1st string, downstroke. So kind of a cool chromatic thing he does here. All right, beautiful part he does there. All right, now look at all these fast patterns we need to do for the rest of this. Okay, 7 on the 5th string, 8 on the 2nd string. Let's do our fast pattern. Together, down, up, 5, up, down. Okay, change to 6 and 8. Together, down, up, 5, up, down. Okay, slow patterns here. 5 and 7, downstroke. 4 on the 5th string, 3 on 1, down. Okay, now a bunch of fast patterns coming up here. 3 and 5, fast pattern. Down, up, 5, up, down. 3 and 4, together, down, up, 5, up, down. 2 and 3, together, down, up, 5, up, down. 0 and 2, together, down, up, 5, up, down. Now, come to the 1 on the 2nd string. This is the only note that in the song where you need to play the 4th string bass. Together, down, up, 4, up, down. And then we land on our original note, which is the 6th string 3rd fret, and we need to do a fast pattern with 6. So we'll go together, down, up, 6, up, down. All right, then he kind of comes back to 3 and 5, slow pattern, 2 and 3, 0 and 2, fast pattern, 0 and 1 with the 4th string, together, down, up, 4, up, down. And then right at that moment, he just launches back to the intro. This is what we have. Let's go through the chorus. I'll put another tab here, short little tab. The chorus is the same information. It's very easy. Let's come up to 8 and 10 on the 5th and the 2nd string. Okay, slow patterns here. Play together, downstroke, 7 and 8, 5 and 6, 3 and 5. Now this one's a beautiful chord, a B flat chord. 1 and 3, let's do a fast pattern. 3 and 5, a fast pattern. Together, 3, 10. We repeat that, 8 and 10, 7 and 8, 5 and 6, 3 and 5. Now 1 and 3, fast pattern. 0 and 2, 0 and 1, again catch the 4th string this time. Together, 3, 2, 4, 2. And then, original note. 6th string 3rd fret, fast pattern on the 6th. Together, 3, 2, 6, up, down. Okay, chorus sounds like this. Guys, that's Blackbird. That's all you need to know to play Blackbird. There's a little interlude he does where he does the intro. He goes like this. And then he kind of slows down and he goes together, down, together, down, together, down. And then the whole song stops. And I think that's where John Lennon is whistling and making bird sounds. So that's the interlude, but it's just the same as the intro, just 10 and 12. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.